Hi, this is John, and today I will be showing you the LIHTUN Cigar Humidor and Cigar Lighter Kit. Let's start off with the packaging. It comes securely packaged, making sure everything is protected during shipping. The humidor itself looks very sleek, featuring a smooth wood grain finish. The tempered glass at the top provides a clear view of your cigar collection. The digital hygrometer helps you keep track of humidity and temperature. The hygrometer's replaceable battery is underneath the lid. The humidor's built-in combination lock enhances security. It's also easy to set up and change combinations. The inside of the humidor is made of high-quality cedar wood. The ridged bottom promotes even humidity distribution. The humidor can hold between 60 and 80 cigars. There is also an included gel bead humidifier. This will help promote stable humidity within your humidor. There's also a pull-out drawer on the bottom of the humidor for all your cigar accessories. This LIHTUN cigar lighter and cutter comes included with this humidor. It has a sleek all-metal design and feels very durable. The built-in Vcutter has a sharp blade, making it easy to cut your cigars. There's also a built-in cigar punch cutter. The lighter also has a cigar draw enhancing tool, which can also be used as a cigar nubbing tool. The lighter's flip-top cover is also a cigar stand. The strong double jet flame on this lighter makes it very easy to light your cigars indoors or outdoors. This cigar humidor and all-in-one lighter makes for an exceptional gift. It has everything you need to enhance the storage and the enjoyment of your cigars. Thank you for watching.